guys, welcome back to Gajin Garage. I got Damian here today, and he's installing a radio, a dual deck radio on his 2000 Civic. So what's 2004, I'm sorry. So you know this guy had the most like on his sound system when I did it for him. And guess what today? He's doing the double deck. Damian, tell me what you doing, bro. What you got?
Alright, I already got pretty much everything separated and done. I already took the dash apart. The only extra things that you would need for the dash to make it look clean is get this kit. Besides that, of course, the harness connects to the radio, the factory wiring harness in the car, and of course the radio. Nice and neat setup. Now it's a little bit more of a pain in the butt than other Civics because you literally have to take the whole thing apart. This is your AC controls. They sit here like this. You got 3 bolts to take off, so you have access to the side of the frame, or where the old radio was and the new radio is going to. Then basically all you have to do is line everything up. Line everything up and bolt it down. Of course, you gotta figure out which holes is gonna work best. There, and see if it's gonna be 2 bolts or 4 bolts or 6 bolts. There it is.
Now, how long this will take you so far?
I've done this in parts. So I took this part about it. You have to take half of the center console, the actual center console off to get access to the bottom of this, which is behind the.
I think every Honda Civic is the same way.
Behind the no.
The 2000.
The 2001s and up, you have this setup.
2000, like Manny's car 98, you have to get that part off. You have to get the bottom
of it, yeah, 2 screws on the bottom. Most people ignore it because there's ways to take that one off without having to take this frame off. But this one you can't. I've had the front end already off for, I've had this off for, I don't know, about 2 weeks now. Just haven't had a chance to install the radio. Picked up the car today and I'm gonna install the radio again. And just 4 bolts, 6 bolts. 6 screws.
If you don't remember, that car is the one that we installed the soft system. We did the valve cover casket. We put the wheels on it. With the intercool, right? Oh, suspension too. We did a bunch of stuff with that car already. And yeah, and now I'm driving it again. Hopefully you can paint it so you can be at car shows with the homeboys. But oh, you know this guy right here. We're about to done with this. But yeah, look at Damian, bro. So when he's done, it should look like that. So, this is the kid, by the way, right there. Some of you are gonna ask me later on, yo, what's the kit number, bro? What's the sauce number? Look, there we go. Boom. Got it? Yeah, I know you guys are gonna ask me later. And then there you go, guys. You're gonna bolt a couple of them on like that. And that comes with a kit or what? Oh,
the screws come with the radio.
Oh, okay.
Or you can use the OEM radio, the OEM ones, if they fit.
Pretty cool, guys. In one moment, we show you how you can install in the car. Just two. All right, guys. So this is the mess that he got going on here.
As you can tell, I had to take this centerpiece off to access the bolts on here, which is some under here. And now it's connect.
Car is done. and radio's working. And so for most of you, you're gonna ask you, what kind of radio you guys put in there, Damien? Let me see the box. I'm gonna show you the box right now, because I know you guys always ask me, especially in this car. There's a lot of following for this car. This is the radio that we put in. Right there, that's the sub model right there. And it's pretty easy to install in this car. Compared to the CRX or any of the other cars that I have, yeah, that's pretty easy to install. All right, guys, you want to see more contents on that car? Hit like, hit subscribe, give me a comment, let me know, bro. Last time I did a sauce on this, I got like 1,500 followers, just like the suspension. Let's see what else. Peace.